welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify fractions. Okay, for us to simplify this type of fraction, you should first of all understand what we call the BODMAS or the PEMDAS, and also know how to convert mixed fractions to improper fraction. The reason why you should know that is for convenience. So to solve this type of fractions that involves multiple fractions in mixed fraction, what you have to do first is to convert all the fractions to an improper fraction. To do that, you multiply the denominator to the whole. After that, you add the numerator. That's the easiest way to do it. So when you multiply 2 to 4, 2 to 2, you have 4, plus 1, you have 5. That means this is the same thing as 5 over 2. Then for the next one, plus, you have 3 wholes, 3 over 4. You multiply the denominator 4 to 3 to get 12, plus 3, you have 15. You have it as 15 over 4. This is division sign divided by 4 wholes, 1 over 2. Multiply to the denominator to the whole 4 to get 8. Add the numerator 1 to get 9. You have it as 9 over 2. Then minus, you see we have 1 whole 1 over 3. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. You have it as 4. Okay, then the next thing we are going to do here is that you observe we have multiple signs: the addition, the division, and the subtraction. So it poses a very difficult problem in solving mathematical questions. So mathematicians made a rule which is called the BODMAS or the PEMDAS. The BODMAS. Okay, this rule suggests the order in solving mathematical problems, especially whole numbers and fractions. So here, the B stands for bracket, O is other, D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, S is subtraction. But here, we do division and multiplication depending on the one that comes first. And we do addition and subtraction depending on the one that comes first, starting from left to right. Okay? So here, if you observe, there is no bracket here. There is no other in the question. There is division. So the first operation we are going to solve is the division operation. So you can see we have 5 over 2 plus 15 over 4. Then you have to divide. And to divide in fractions, you are permitted to change the division sign to multiplication. But the corresponding fraction, which is 9 over 2, you flip the positions of the numerator and the denominator. So instead of having 9 over 2, if I flip the positions, I have what? 2 over 9. So I have 2 over 9 minus 4 over 3. Then let's multiply. If you divide by 2, you have 2. Divide by 2, you have 1. Divide by 3, you have 3. Divide by 3, you have 5. Observe, we have 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Then plus 5 times 1 is 5. You have it as 5 over 2 times 3 is 6. You have it as 6. Then minus 4 over 3. You have it as 4 over 3. So as a math pro, you can see that we only have addition and subtraction. And we can simply do it by finding their common denominator. That is the lowest common multiple of the denominator. The lowest common multiple between 2, 6, and 3 is 6. So the next thing you do is 2 divided 6 gives 3. Then you multiply what you got to the numerator, which is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. You have it as 15 plus 6 divided itself is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. You have it as 5 minus 3 divided 6 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8 minus 8. And this is equal to 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 minus 8 is what? 20 minus 8 is what? 12. You have it as 12 over 6. So when you divide 12 by 6, you are getting what? A single what? 2. So this question is just 2. I believe the explanation is nice. Bye-bye.